In the jungle, wild and free, 12 animal friends, just wait and see. They play, they prowl, they roam around. In the wild their world is found. The elephant stomps with feet so wide, swinging his trunk from side to side. Big and gray with ears that flap, in the jungle he takes a nap. The lion roars so brave and strong, with a golden mane that's big and long. King of the jungle, bold and grand, he prowls proudly through the land. The tiger creeps with stripes of black, through the tall grass quiet and slack. Silent paws and eyes so bright, he hunts by day and sleeps at night. In the jungle, wild and free, animals play for you and me. Big and small, they roam around. In the wild their home is found. The giraffe is tall with a neck so high, reaching leaves up in the sky. With spots and grace it bends to drink, near the river's grassy brink. The zebra trots with stripes so fine, black and white in a curving line. In a herd they love to play, running free through fields all day. The crocodile hides in waters cool, with a toothy grin, he's no fool. Silent and still he waits for prey, then splashes fast and swims away. In the jungle, wild and free, animals play for you and me. Big and small, they roam around. In the wild their home is found. The monkey swings from tree to tree, laughing loud, so wild and free. With nimble hands and a playful cheer, he makes his friends all laugh and cheer. The bear is strong with fur so thick, for honey sweet he'll climb real quick. In forests deep he roams and plays, through the nights and sunny days. The hippo wades in waters wide, with a big mouth that opens wide. In rivers cool he loves to stay, splashing around throughout the day. In the jungle, wild and free, animals play for you and me. Big and small, they roam around. In the wild their home is found. The fox is sly with a tail so red, quick and clever, lightly tread. In the bushes he hides so neat, with paws so soft and silent feet. The python slithers long and low, through the grass so smooth and slow. With scales that shine he glides around, on jungle floors without a sound. The wolf howls loud to call the pack, with fur so thick and gray and black. Through snowy nights or forest green, the wolves roam wild, quick and keen. In the wild, where animals roam, each one finds a place called home. Big or small, fierce or shy, they live and play beneath the sky.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.